Just put one out there, that's all. All right, bad golfers, that was a pretty good drive with my 5-iron. Still got about 180 yards left. Not there, almost. Oh, give ourselves a long putt. Oh. Okay. Yeah, nice little bogey. Nice, sit. I'm playing these cheap Wilson balls I found. I found a pack of 24 for $9.98 over at Ross Department Stores. Yep. All right, I found that drive. I am just gonna try to punch out of this one. Oh man, thorn bushes and everything. Hey, so happy. I got a 50-degree wedge here. Just gonna try and get it onto the green. Nope. I'm in the bunker with you. Oh, stay. All right. Come on back. Oh. Get up there. Don't be short. Don't be short. I can't see it, so I'm gonna hope and pray. I know God don't want to hear that prayer, but hope and pray is good. All right, +1. I don't know where that drive went. It probably rolled off the green. Wow. All right. Ah. Triple, a 6.
Double bogey?
I lost that ball. I still don't understand. It looked like it was going straight at the flag. Nice putt. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Horrible. It rolled across the ground. It actually hit these trees on the left and then bounced towards the fairway. I don't even think it's on the fairway, but it's close. Nice shot. Oh, good shot. All right, let's see what we can do here. Got a 5-iron. Nice and easy swings here. Okay, I drew to the other side of the fairway. Not bad. Not playing too well on this hole, but we can clean things up right now. All right, not bad, not great either, but let's clean it up. You can make that. We both can make these. Somewhere on the right side. 4-iron magic. Good ball, good ball. Oh yeah, every day you take that. Not bad. Oh! I thought I missed it. Yes. Oh. I thought it was going to the right.
I know.
But then it came back in. Thought I blew it. Bad shot, Willie. All right, we got to look at par. Oh, that was so bad. All right, let's see if I can get a bogey. All right, bogey. Oh. I see where it went. It was sky high. Horrible shot. All right, 5-iron. Work my way down this field here. Good shot. Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh my. Look how many are in here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to just go to the drop zone. All right, taking a drop. Oh my gracious. So did I. Ugh. Well, that's it. Game over for me. That is a 10. No, that's a 10 for me. Good shot.
Okay.
Did it stay in? Oh, cool. Wow. All right, we got a nice little chip for par here. Oh, stop. Oh. Ah. Left. Sit. Okay. All right. Finally.
All right, man.
Finally. Thank you.
Good.
I got you. Celebrating just for staying even. Oh my gracious. It actually on the green. It shouldn't be on the green, but it's on the green. All right, I did not deserve to be on this green, but actually I'm not on the green. I'm on the fringe. Way too fast.
Make the Ramos play for you.
Yes!
Oh, yes. Another par.
Another par.
Oh,
man, thank you.
His name is Ramos. He's not playing.
That was a nice one. I'll take that. Too far left. Bunker. Bunker. Too fast. Going back. Too weak. You just destroyed my line, brother. Just destroyed it. He's like, go ahead, Joe. I appreciate you. It's gonna be when I knock this in. Play bird! Double. Oh, man. Nice putt. No. In the bunker. I think so. We'll see. Come on. Daddy needs a par. No! Bogey, not bad.
Hit the ground. Good.
Should be up there, hopefully in the rough. Oh, not the tree. Ah.
Watch out for that tree. That's all right. Can't freak out.
Oh no. All right, I totally lost that ball in these bushes right behind me. Great. Wow, a little too much. Got stuck. That is a triple. I lost that ball over in the woods back there. Oh, I see it. Yikes. Not the bunker. I think I went in. Oh! Picked it clean. How? That was for a birdie attempt. Now, I don't even know if I can find it. How? I mean, this is why I'm an amateur. This is why I stink. No! I mean, I probably will find it, but my gracious. It's good. Me? I'm trying to get a bogey. If I got this, this will be a miracle. Oh boy. No! Stop the madness. Oh. No. Great. Great. Oh, gracious. Good night. All right, +1. Gotta drop one. Lost that shot, of course. Wow, rolled all the way up the cart path. Yeah, just a little bit.
That's a nice ball, by the way. Yeah. Get in there.
Alrighty. Might be alive, I don't know. Ah. It's to the... Thank you. Straight ahead. Great. Beach to beach. Purple ball.
Oh, wow.
All right, folks, that was not my best stuff, but man, let me tell you, I had a good time. I always love this course. I love Nob Hill. It's a fun course, and it is extremely challenging. Hole number 7 is a beast. One day, I'm going to conquer that beast. But for now, just enjoy the day. Did not break 100, but I had a good time. So I'll be coming back. Look out for my next video. Appreciate you guys. Give me any tips, any pointers. I appreciate them all. Keep them coming down in the comments. I appreciate you guys. But anyway, you guys know what to do. Have fun playing golf. Look good while you do it, and play bad. I will catch you guys in the next Play Bad Golf video. Peace.